What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's some photos of the old family car that I repaired about 6 months ago. Hope you enjoy. So I removed the rear bumper to check for any hidden damage. As you can see here, the damage was quite significant. So I just pulled out the dents as best I could with the tools, and then used a hammer and dolly and reshaped everything back to normal. And then I proceeded to mask everything off, sand everything down, use body filler, and then use the primer. Here I use a special plastic bumper resin to fill any dents, followed by some glazing putty. Then the final preparation was pretty much just to prime everything and give it a final sand down prior to its base coat. Both the base coat and the clear coat went down really well. The final part of the job was to wet sand everything and blend everything in and make it as good as new. And that's it guys, thanks very much for watching, take care for now.